When deploying generative AI, engineering teams face a strict penalty for edge case failures. To avoid them, teams default all production queries through their heaviest, most expensive models, like Claude 3.5 Sonnet or GPT-4o, regardless of the task's actual complexity. Processing millions of routine classification requests through a frontier model burns API credits rapidly. A system routing 10,000 queries a day through Sonnet 4.6 will spend roughly $9,500 a year on tasks that require a fraction of that intelligence. This scatterplot shows the wide cost distribution of LLMs relative to their accuracy plateau. You can see a dense cluster of models achieving high accuracy, but their associated costs vary wildly, spanning a massive horizontal range. Looking at this normalized inverse cost view, the extreme inefficiency of the costliest models becomes clear. They sit clustered on the far left, demonstrating that hitting top-tier prices yields severely diminishing returns for standard classification tasks. Engineering teams need a new architectural layer to stop this financial bleed, but they require a solution that maintains frontier-level safety and accuracy. Achieving scale requires abandoning static model selection. The infrastructure must shift to dynamic, mathematical routing. The industry-standard approach to this problem is the LLM cascade. This involves using a smaller, cheaper LLM to classify prompts and route them to a larger LLM when necessary. Cascades fail at scale because they still rely on large language models to make routing decisions. They incur measurable inference costs and add significant latency before the primary task even begins. We can eliminate that overhead entirely with Tracer, trace-based adaptive cost-efficient routing. Tracer discards a cascade framework and routes queries from an LLM directly to a near-zero-cost classical machine learning model. Tracer utilizes a surrogate model. This is a lightweight, sub-millisecond CPU model, often a simple logistic regression operating on pre-computed text embeddings that replaces the LLM for repetitive intent and extraction queries. Running a surrogate logistic regression on a CPU requires a negligible fraction of the compute, memory, and time compared to spinning up even the smallest quantized LLM for a cascade step. Efficient routing is a strict mathematical classification problem based on vector distances. It is not an LLM prompting task. Every time you call a frontier LLM for classification, you receive the output, but you also generate a trace, a perfectly labeled input-output pair captured directly in your production logs. Tracer uses a learning-to-defer paradigm. It retains these traces, treating the expensive LLM's outputs as ground truth labels to build a free, continuously growing training set. The classical ML surrogate trains on these traces. As it absorbs the patterns from the LLM, it gains the ability to intercept and handle the easy, repetitive traffic. When the surrogate evaluates a query as uncertain, it simply defers. It passes the query directly back to the expensive teacher model for a highly accurate response. Each of these deferred queries generates a new trace. That data point feeds immediately back into the training dataset, continuously expanding the surrogate's capability boundary. This self-reinforcing loop requires zero human intervention. The system acquires supervision entirely from the traces accumulated during live production. Every deferred API call pays for itself. It trains the surrogate on exactly the edge cases it previously failed on, ensuring the system never needs the expensive teacher for that specific type of query again. This introduces a strict engineering requirement. We must verify that cheap surrogate is reliable enough for live traffic without degrading the user experience. Tracer solves this problem using an Acceptor. This is a secondary, lightweight algorithm that evaluates the surrogate's confidence by analyzing the margin between top predictions and the normalized entropy of pre-computed embeddings. The Acceptor powers the Parity gate, the statistical safety check that governs deployment. The surrogate is only activated when its agreement with the expensive model exceeds a user-defined target alpha threshold. If you set the alpha to 95%, the gate ensures the surrogate only handles queries where it is mathematically proven to match the teacher's output 95% of the time. Tracer is designed with a conservative fallback mechanism. If the surrogate fails to meet the statistical parity threshold on a given day, the system safely defaults 100% of the traffic back to the frontier model. Trust in automated routing requires exact mathematical proof. The Parity gate guarantees quality control, eliminating the risk of deploying a degraded model to production. Translating this theory into a concrete three-tier model stack requires specific design patterns using a framework like LangGraph. The tracer acceptor sits as the critical decision node at the start of the graph, intercepting the embedded user query and instantly computing its probability score. Based on the alpha threshold, conditional routing edges map the exact execution path. Clear inputs are routed to the teal surrogate path. Moderately complex queries hit the gold Sonnet path, and highly uncertain edge cases trigger the red Opus path. In real time, the graph evaluates the query against the Parity model, selecting the cheapest capable execution branch with zero latency penalties. The state graph then captures the final output from whichever model was invoked, returning it to the user while simultaneously writing the tracelog for the next system refit. Isolating the routing logic into a dedicated mathematical node optimizes the latency and cost profile of the entire application graph. You pay for heavy reasoning only when the data strictly requires it. The performance of this architecture is verified against standard datasets, specifically the Banking77 benchmark, which tests 77 granular financial intent classes. At a 0.95 alpha target, Tracer offloads 83% of traffic to the surrogate, maintaining 95.9% agreement while shrinking the LLM workload. On the complex CLINC dataset, it scales further. The surrogate achieved 100% offload, entirely replacing the teacher model in production. Let's run the math for a production scenario processing 100,000 intent queries per day using Sonnet 4.6 as the baseline. A team routing all traffic statically spends roughly $30,000 a month. By implementing Tracer at an 83% offload rate, that same workload drops to a blended bill of around $4,000. Implementing a mathematical routing layer converts sunk API costs into an appreciating proprietary data asset. Engineering teams often raise a valid architectural objection. Doesn't evaluating a parity gate add unacceptable latency to the processing pipeline? Running a classical logistic regression on pre-computed embeddings takes a fraction of a millisecond on a standard CPU. This is statistically invisible compared to the massive time-to-first token delay required to spin up a frontier LLM. In heavily regulated enterprise environments, teams also require strict compliance. If the system defers a query, auditors must know exactly why that specific decision was made. Tracer handles this by auto-generating interpretability artifacts at every refit. It outputs contrastive boundary pairs, side-by-side examples of inputs with the same label but opposite routing decisions, mapping exactly where the surrogate model plateaus due to phrasing ambiguity. This level of algorithmic transparency provides a clear mathematical rationale for every routing decision, easily passing enterprise audit requirements that black box LLM cascades fail. The specific model you choose per query is no longer a static configuration setting. It must be a dynamic, trace-driven decision. Review your current cost surface. Identify the classification and extraction endpoints where fear-based routing is inflating your API bills for repetitive data. You can implement a parity gate directly into your existing LangChain or LangGraph builds to begin capturing your traces today. We have linked the open source repository in the description below, so you can access the tracer code and test the benchmarks on your own infrastructure. In the era of hyper-expensive frontier models, the most valuable infrastructure is the system that decides exactly when not to use them.